People may become less committed based upon their perception of mate value. The one person who pursues becoming irreplaceable and the one person who is not already replaceable, they are instead a high value mate. In other words, the woman who is in a relationship with a high value man and who wants to continue that relationship might be the one who pursues becoming irreplaceable. Similarly, when it is a man who chooses irreplaceability, he might be a lower value mate pursuing a higher value woman. So let's take the second one. So in other words, the woman who is in a relationship with a high value man and who wants to continue that relationship might be the one who pursues becoming irreplaceable. So you know that there are certain women who will always have to jump over hoops. If you are able to land a baller, footballer, basketballer, soccer baller, celebrity baller, I don't know who it is. Okay, if you are able to land him or land her, you have to jump over hoops. It's like the person who always has to be on. They cannot take a day off. They are always having to be on. They can't rest. They can't let their hair look crazy. They can't let their body look crazy. They can't stay fat for long if they got pregnant or something like that. They always have to be on. It's like you always are under the microscope, under the cameras, people taking pictures, and just one little thing wrong with you. If you have a pimple or something, one thing little wrong with you, and they'll say, she shouldn't be with him. Who is she to be with him? I can't believe he chose her, right? But if it's a man who chooses irreplaceability, he might be a lower value mate pursuing a high value woman. So if he is a lower value mate, and he will only consider mate value when it comes to a woman that he might be interested in, and she might be a higher value woman. So then he will automatically assess himself where he is in his life and where he wants to go. And then by extension, he will assess the woman he's already with. And if there is the potential of getting with a high value woman, by default, he will consider that his wife is a low value woman. And so he would never really consider himself as low value. He would consider his wife as low value. And then he would think to himself, then I need to really be with a high value woman. So he will then replace his wife with a high value woman, exit that relationship, and go leave the house and pursue that high value woman.